Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my video. Wait, is it really morning time? Yeah, it's the morning time. Currently it's 11 o'clock and I'm literally very sad that I need to start the vlog so late. That's only because of my sleeping schedule. My sleeping timetable has been so disbalanced these days that I'm so sad. By the way, yesterday I slept at after 2 o'clock. Can you imagine? From a week I had been sleeping like after 2 o'clock, and how can you imagine a person sleeping at after 2 o'clock to wake up early? So yeah, I was like tired yesterday, so after that I went somewhere outside. I need to go somewhere outside, so I was very tired yesterday. So after that I came home, and in the afternoon I just took a nap, and that's why in the night time I could not sleep at all. I slept like after 2 o'clock maybe, and that's why today in the morning time I woke up so late. I woke up at like 10 o'clock or maybe 9:45. So I'm so sad that I am vlogging this video so late. It's like 11 o'clock right now, and I'm so sad that I'm making this video so late, but no worries. As you already know from the title, and that today's video is going to be a challenge. My friends are going to be controlling my day, so I'm really very excited for this challenge because how much I love doing challenges, and here my friends are there, so I'm really very like literally very much excited for this challenge. I'm really very excited, and also I am not this much, like this much nervous because these are my friends. I don't know which kind of challenges they are gonna be, and you are gonna know more about how they are going to control my day, what kind of challenges they are going to give, etc. later on in the video. So to know more, stay tuned till the end of this video, and this is going to be a very interesting video, I hope so. And it's going to be a rocking video, and you all are going to love. And yeah, I will do so many more interesting stuffs in the video, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, give this a big thumbs up, and yeah, stick till the end of this video. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have changed my background a bit, so yeah, anyways, so now let me tell you what today's challenge rules are gonna be. So as I said, today's video is going to be my friends control my day for 24 hours. Now let me tell you how they are going to be controlling this and how I have arranged the rules for this. I think they also don't know about this. So let me tell you. So here in this box, as you can see, I have two sheets wherein I have written all the names of my friends who are involved in this challenge. Now one disclaimer is that I could not arrange why did I cross my finger? Wow. Anyways, one disclaimer that I would like to give is that I could not arrange a lot of my friends for this video because I could arrange only like 4 or 5. I think 4 of my friends for this video, because first day I arranged like 5 or 6 of my friends for this video, and after few of my friends said that they were busy in a lot of things, so I said that okay, if you are busy then what can we do. So yeah, I just could arrange only 4 of my friends for this challenge, but no worries, I'm good to go with that. Anyways, so what I'm going to be doing is that how this challenge is going to work is that in this box I have some sheets where I've written all the names of my friends who are involved in this challenge, and according to the timing, like now it is breakfast time, I haven't have my breakfast. So according to the timing, I'm gonna pick one sheet, I'm gonna shuffle all the sheets, and I'm gonna pick one sheet, and whoever name comes in this sheet, I'm gonna call that person, and I'm gonna ask them some questions. For example, let me give you one example. Suppose it's the breakfast time, and at that before the breakfast time, I'm gonna just shuffle the sheets, and I'm gonna pick one sheet, and suppose it's the name of one of my friend, and I'll call that friend, and I'll ask that friend that hey, what should I have for breakfast, and my friend needs to answer me that you will have this for breakfast, you will have that for breakfast, and whatever they will say, I need to do that only. So this is how I have planned that my friends are going to control my day. By the way, one thing more that I'm going to be giving you as a disclaimer is that I'm not going to be including my breakfast time in this challenge. That's only because I'm not going to be including my breakfast and my dinner time in this challenge. That's only because I am a Bengali, and in a typical Bengali family, the breakfast and the dinner are always prepared by the mom or somebody else. So I don't want to ruin my breakfast or my dinner. So yeah, if my friends say that at breakfast you have chapati, and whereas my mom has prepared rice for that, so she need to work twice for making that chapati just for me. So I don't want to ruin my breakfast or my dinner, so I'm not including my dinner and my breakfast in this challenge, and others everything is included in this challenge. So I hope you all understood, and I'm not making this challenge as a boring thing. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you all will enjoy, and let's get started with the challenge. I think now it's breakfast time, so I think I'm gonna be starting this challenge officially from my before my shower timing, because that's going to be an interesting part. So yeah, you all will be seeing some interesting things in this video, like totally interesting. So yeah, it's gonna be very interesting, so stay tuned till the end of the video, and yeah, it's going to be very interesting. I'm gonna be doing so many things in this video, so let's get started. Hi guys, so I'm back. So now I'm gonna go and take a shower. So what I have decided is that now let me officially start my challenge. So as I'm gonna go and take a shower, so I'm gonna call one of my friends. So let's see whose name comes. So let's start the challenge. So guys, here are all the chits as you can see, and I'm gonna shuffle them and let's see whose name comes out. I'm very excited. So I'm gonna pick this one, and it says of Nobunita. She is a very good friend of mine, and I'll try to call her. If she picks up the phone, then that's good. If she does not, then I'll call someone else. So let's see. So guys, I'm gonna call her. I don't know whether she'll pick up my phone also or not. Let's see. Okay, she's speaking to someone else. I'll call her after some time again, and I'll wait for some time, and let's see this. Okay, she has called. Hello. So I'm doing a challenge, I'm doing a challenge. So I'm going to ask you a question, okay? So you answer. So after some time I'm going to bath. So you tell me what should I wear today? Huh? Nowhere. You speak in English. Tell anything of your choice. What should I wear? Nah, home only. But I will be doing YouTube video, no? That's why. Jeans I don't have. Okay, top is okay, and down you change until. No, jeans I don't have, black jeans. Yeah, jeans I have, but another color I have. Okay, thank you. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Okay, I'll message you afterwards. Just see the video, okay? Thank you. So guys, just now I called Nobunita, one of my friend, and she said me to wear a top, simple top, and black jeans or kind of a leggings. Now I don't have a black jeans or a leggings. Now leggings I don't have anything, but I have a jeans. Now let's see what will I wear. I'll go to bath after some time, and then I'll put my outfit. I'm very excited for the challenge, so let's go. Hi guys, so I am back. So I'm in a different room. Actually the room in which I was filming, there my sister is doing some kind of work, so I've just changed my room. I'm filming in a different room. Anyways, so currently it's 1:06, and I have taken my shower a lot of while ago, and I was just checking social media and doing all of that. So now it's time for me to call one of my friends. Now as you can see, I'm taking my shower, but I haven't done anything. I have done not done my hairs and all. So I thought that I'll call one of my friends and ask her about which kind of hairstyle should I do and all of that. So that is the thing that I'm gonna be doing right now. So let's do. I'll shuffle all the chits and call one of my friends. So yeah, I've chosen told me to call Shonamoni, one of my very good friend, my best friend actually. So I'm gonna call Shonamoni and ask her which kind of hairstyle should I do, because I'm in a very bad hairstyle. So I need to call her and ask which kind of hairstyle should I do. So I'm gonna call her right now, and yeah. So I'll quickly call her and then catch up, guys. So I have called her. Let's see. Hello, what are you doing? Oh, okay. So before some time I went to bath. So which kind of hairstyle should I do? Hairstyle. Oh, with that video section. Okay. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so as you saw, I called her. She told me to do the same hairstyle which I usually do. Like, I love doing that hairstyle. So I'll show you which hairstyle I usually do. I'll do that one. But before that, I'll show you what kind of outfit I'm wearing. Now the outfit which one of my friends chose, like Nabunita chose, she told me to wear like a simple top and down, like a black jeans or a leggings. So yeah, I found that kind of such an outfit and I'm wearing that. So I'll first show you my outfit, then next I'll do my hairstyle. So yeah, I'm really very excited for this challenge and it's good going, I think so. So if you like this, please give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, let's do my hairstyle. First I'll show you all my outfit, then I'll do my hairstyle. So yeah, let's go. So guys, I'm just wearing this pink top, as you can see, which has this floral design. So this is the top which I wear almost every time. So yeah, I'm wearing this pink top and down I'm wearing this black Korean. So yeah, this is the outfit which one of my friend told to wear, and this is the outfit which I have chose. So yeah. So yeah guys, I look very ugly right now, so I'll be just going and doing my hairstyle, and also after that I'll be calling one of my friends. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I have done the hairstyle. As you can see, I know there are a lot of background noises, but I'm very sorry for that. So I have done the hairstyle, as you can see, which has been told by my friend Shonamoni. So I have done it in the same way, and yeah, I hope she will like it. Anyway, so now it's currently 1:42, and yeah, now I'm gonna be calling one of my friend and asking her about some questions. So I'll call Priya and let's see whether she picks up the phone or not. So yeah, so guys, I tried calling Priya but she is busy, so I have a different number of her. Let's see whether she picks up the call there or not. So yeah, let's try there. Hello, why are you not picking up my call? I've called in that number. Oh, so I'll ask you a question, okay? Answer. First question is, I forgot the question, only see. So I want to wear some nail polish, okay? So which color nail polish I should wear? Yeah, but if I will not have that color, that I can't wear. No, you tell me, I will tell. I'm telling you the color, okay? I have yellow color, I have orange color, I have red color, then many colors. You tell now. Which color? Okay, blue color. And next question is, should I edit today or not? No. Okay, thank you. I was not going to edit also. Okay, I'll call you afterwards, okay, again. Thank you. Bye. So yeah guys, I finally called Priya and she received my call. Okay, so I asked her that from a lot of days, as you can see, my nails are totally bare. I have not worn any kind of nail polish. So I asked her whether I should colored nail polish should I wear. So she told me to wear the blue color nail polish, and I'm very happy she chose that color because I was gonna wear the blue color one. So yeah, after some time, like in the evening time, I'm gonna wear the blue color nail polish. And I also asked her whether I should edit this video, the one which you are watching now, whether I should edit that video or not. So she said no. So So yeah, I'm so happy because today I really wanted some rest because I am literally very tired by making this video. I'm so literally very tired. So yeah, I'm not gonna edit anymore. So I'm very happy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm very happy that she gave me such options, which I'm very happy. Yeah. So yeah, okay. So yeah, now I will meet you up guys before the evening time. So yeah, bye bye. Hi guys, I'm back. So I think I last updated you all, last met with you all was when I called my best friend, one of my best friend Priya, and she told me not to work, not to edit any of my videos and just chill, and also to paint blue color my nails with blue color. So dan, here is what I have colored my nails, as you can see, with the blue color. And I did not work after that. I just chilled because she said to do that. I after that did not vlog because she said me to just chill. So yeah, I just chilled. I just just took a nap, very little nap. I was chit chatting with my family, and yeah, I was really productive. I was just chilling, and now it's currently, wait, I'll see the time. Guys, so it's 6:12 in the evening, and I know it's too much late in the day. By the way, I know I have not filmed like totally 24 hours of the day, and I think I am going to end this vlog over here. I know I have not filmed total 24 hours. That's only because today I'm not feeling that well. As I said that yesterday I could not sleep so well, and today I woke up literally late in the morning, and also today also I'm not feeling that well. And yeah, I thought that full 24 hours I could not film, but yeah, I really enjoyed filming all that parts where my friend suggested me to do this, that, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please comment me down below more challenges, suggestions, how kind of such challenge videos you want. So yeah, I really enjoyed this video. If you all do the same, if you all enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new around here, then please subscribe and turn on the bell icon. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll put everything down below in the description box, so please check the description box. And yeah, I will try to make more challenges video very soon, and they'll be more interesting than this one. So yeah, please stay tuned, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.